Greetings to all. Welcome to our University News Update for today. I'm Bambang Yudhoyono and from PBIC class, and I'll be providing a significant Indonesian tale that has shaken a lot of people today. In a significant corruption case, the chief of the South Jakarta District Court has been listed as a suspect. He is charged of expecting bribes totaling 60 billion rupiah, or almost $4 million USD. The purpose of these bribes was to influence the outcomes of multiple legal decisions. A judge should uphold justice, not undermine it. Therefore, this is a major issue. People lose faith in the law when someone in this high position engages in corruption. The Corruption Eradication Commission or KPK is collaborating with the Attorney General Office to look into this matter. As part of the evidence, they have already taken numerous expensive objects, including homes and cars. A lot of Indonesians are upset and disappointed. Social media users are discussing how unjust it is, and many are pleading with the government to make fundamental modifications to prevent future events of this nature. As college students, we ought to be worried about national affairs. Since we will be the leaders of tomorrow, we must understand the value of integrity and accountability. This case teaches us that corruption is not just about money, it is about people, justice, and the future of our society. That's all for today's report. Thank you for listening. Stay curious, stay informed, and never stop learning. I'm Bambang Yudhoyono from PBIC class, shining off.